Okay. Wow, it is really strong water pump from the deep well. Okay, this is very good water. It's nice. It cleans water, really clean water. Oh my God, it's working. It is free water. This is free water from the deep well over there. Okay, everyone, if you want to know how to make a free water from deep well, as you can hear, the drum is pushing, it's pressing, and it's almost deformed right now. Okay, you will know how to do it. I will show you right away. But I really love this water. It's really clear. So it's just coming freely from deep well. Okay, everyone, let me just tell you a little bit about how to do this. Okay, so just go with me to see over there. As the output pi is the 34 millimeter, and this is 60 millimeter. Okay. Alright, so this is the new size setup. We use all this. Oh, it's deformed behind me. Okay, this is a 60 millimeter as well, and we make this because we just want the pressure, the water pressure is stronger. It try to pump the water. It really help the drum. So when the bubble come back, so it will come back into this pipe. So this pipe is press the air and pushing back to the output. This one as well. So we make this because we want it working well. Okay. As you can hear the sucking sound, it's sucking and dropping into the drum. You can hear right now. Okay, so okay, do you hear? You know, the sucking sound is very strong. It's sucking from the deep well. So you can hear the water dropping into the drum. Both drum is sucking the water very strong, and the drum is almost deformed right now because of the deep well. The well is really deep, so that's why we're trying to suck the water into the drum. And you know, as you can see, the intake water is 34 millimeter. The intake water 34 millimeter, and the output 60 millimeter. But the last output we use the 34 millimeter as well to make sure it balanced with the intake water. Okay, everyone. So it is just a simple trick to make it stronger. So what our trick today is making drip hole air pressure. This is the drip hole air pressure with double drum. So it is our trick today. So I hope you understand and you can do it. Thank you very much everyone for watching my tutorial today, and hope you enjoy with this tutorial. Subscribe, like, share this video if you think that good for people in the world. Okay, bye, see you with the next video.